my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. So today's video was inspired by Easter. Happy Easter, guys. And I thought to myself, what can we do for Easter? And string art just came to mind, especially because it has to do with nails. Jesus was nailed to the cross, so I'm like, let's do string art. So guys, right before we get into this DIY, if you know you're not subscribed to my channel, please, why exactly are you not subscribed? I don't understand. Why are you not subscribed? Please subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Thank you so much for subscribing. So let's just get right to the DIY. Guys, these are the materials that you're going to need for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box so that you can check it out. So the first thing you want to do is get your scrap wood, then get a template. So whatever it is you want to string out, the next thing I did was just use a nail to pick around the template first. After you finish putting holes in each of the template pieces, then you move your template, then you start blending all the pieces together. After which, I then tied the string. Then I started going around. I first of all went around the whole cross. Then I did zigzag. Just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be precise. Just have fun. Do zigzag, do from top to end. Just have a lot of fun with it. like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Also, do not forget to leave comments in the comment section. If you have questions, the comment section is there for you to ask your questions. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.